Bonnybrook Auto Sales has been serving Alberta since 1997. To ensure customer satisfaction, we always inspect and mechanically recondition every vehicle on our lot. We also provide a powertrain warranty for 1 year on almost every vehicle sold. The warranty is North America-wide when serviced at any certified shop throughout Canada or the United States. To help you get into your new vehicle with ease, we're able to provide you with almost any kind of financing. All of our vehicles come fully detailed and are always polished to perfection. To better serve our customers, we've moved from our old location off of Ogden Road to our new facility across the street from Centre Street Church at 244 40th Avenue Northeast here in Calgary.